everyone, my name is Nino. I'm one of the creators of The Ways to French, and today I'm very happy to share some exciting news with you. We're starting level A2. During the first 110 days, we worked together on everyday French, greeting people, introducing yourself, ordering at a restaurant, talking about your family, your job, your region. We even explored the Francophone world. Now, thanks to all this work, you have a strong foundation. You can understand simple sentences, recognize many words, and follow short conversations. And today, we're ready for the next step. What is A2? A2 is the level where you begin to express more ideas, more emotions, and more details. In the upcoming episodes, you will learn how to talk about your past experiences with the passé composé, speak about your plans and goals, give your opinion, describe more complex situations, explain a problem, make comparisons, and understand more natural dialogues. Don't worry, we'll continue step by step with simple sentences, clear vocabulary, and practical content. Alors, how to use this audio and video series. Each episode is short and designed for daily practice. Here is how to use it. Listen once to understand the general idea. Don't try to translate or understand every word. Listen again and notice familiar words and expressions. Repeat some sentences out loud to practice pronunciation. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Now, who is this series for? This A2 series is useful if you are a student learning French, an expat living in a French-speaking country, a traveler who wants practical French, preparing for an A2 exam like DELF, a teacher looking for simple listening material, or an independent learner studying on your own. The focus is always on real-life French, spoken naturally but clearly. By the end of A2, you will be able to understand French speakers more easily, talk with more confidence, describe your life in simple words, express yourself in everyday situations. So, welcome in this new adventure. We begin level A2 tomorrow with lots of new themes and new stories. I would also like to wish you a very happy new year. Bonne année, filled with joy and many new adventures ahead. Throughout 2026, we'll be sharing new content and resources to support you on your French journey. À bientôt!